Right, good day and welcome. I'm Mr. Simons. Now in the second lesson we'll be determining general solution, but the angles are given as compound angles. Right, so let's do problem number 1. Find the general solution of each of the following equations. So there cos, see I have the sum of angles, theta plus 32, that's referred to as a compound angle, equal negative 0.67. Now, nothing in front of cos there, so I can go straight and work out the reference angle. So I'm going to say shift cos on my calculator. I only use the positive of that value, 0.67, which then gives me 47.932935 degrees, right? So there cos is negative, in which angle or quadrants is cos negative, quad 2 and quadrant 3. So in quadrant 2, I'm going to write my compound angle, theta plus 32, equal, quadrant 2 is 180 minus my reference angle, plus K360 because it's cos. For quadrant 3, theta plus 32 equal 180 plus 47.93 plus K360. Right, if I take that over 180 minus 47.93 gives me 132.067. You see, although I'm printing dot dot, I don't round off till the final answer. 32 goes over, becomes minus 32. Plus K360, that simplifies now. I round off to 2 decimal places as per instructions in exam generally. So that gives me 100.07 degrees plus K360. And the K there is simply an element of integers, meaning any value minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 0, etc. I can put there in the place of K. On this side here, 180 plus 47.93 gives me 227.93. Take 32 over minus 32 plus K360, right? That simplifies to 195.93 if I round off to 2 decimal places, plus K360 and K element of integers. And there, if we just make K 0, right, you can, if I make the K 0 there, can test. If I say cos 100.07, it should give me an answer roughly of negative 0.67. If I say cos 195.93, it should give me negative 0.67. That's just working with 0. Then we can test all the other values that are integers and see every angle that we get. But yeah, when we say solve for the angle, we'll go further and we would work it out. But I'll do a lesson on that. Right, so I hope you understand so far. Let's look at problem number 2. Right, so number 2, I have sine 2 theta plus 60 equals 0.9. So reference angle equals sine negative 1, 0.9 goes in, shift sign. That's the reference angle I get, right? Now take note, I wrote out the whole thing. There I'm only allowed to generally round off in my final answer, right? Rounding off before the time that decimals can have a significant effect on what we are doing. So in quadrant 1, I have 2 theta plus 60 equals 64.15 plus K360. Remember, sine period of 360. There 2 theta plus 60, quadrant 2, 180 minus 64.15 plus K360. He chose quad 2 and quad 1 because sine is given as a positive 0.9. So if I take 60 over here, it becomes negative 60. 2 theta stays. That's 64 minus that, 4.15. We always divide. Remember, now I'm solving for theta. So I divide by 2 on both sides. That would become 2.079 plus 360 divided by 2, K times 180 degrees, and K is the element of integers. Here 180 minus that gives me 115.84 minus the 60. If I take it across, gives me 55.841, and again divide by 2 both sides, gives me 27.92 plus K180 and K element of integers. Right, so I hope you follow, I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe, please. Number 3. We have 4 tan 2 theta minus 20 equals 0.4. So first I want tan on its own, so I divide by 4. So tan 2 theta minus 20 becomes negative 0,4 divided by 4, which gives me negative 0,1. Angle associated with that, I'm going to press shift 10 and only the positive of that value. Very important. If I use the negative, which is not a problem, I'm going to get a negative angle on the calculator. Then I have to say 180 minus that angle. Not minus minus, but 180. What the value you have on a calculator to get to the same place. So there my reference angle, shift 10, 0,1, 5,71, 0,593, 137 degrees. Right, in which quadrants is tan negative? Quad 2 and quad 4. So in quad 2, I'm going to write 2 theta minus 20 equal 180 minus 5,71 plus k times 180. And in quad 4, 2 theta minus 20 equal 360 minus 5,71 plus k 180. 180 degrees because I'm dealing with tan that has a period of 180. So there, 2 theta, take 20 over, become plus 20. 180 minus that gives me 174,29. Plus the 20 would give me 194,29. Always divide with a coefficient of theta there. So 2 theta must become theta. So I divide everything by 2. 194,29 divided by 2 gives me 97,15. 180 divided by 2 would give me 90. There, 360 minus 5,71. Give me 354,29. 354,29 plus 20 degrees would give me 374,29 plus k 180. Again, I have 2 theta, so I have to divide by 2, both sides. 374,29 divided by 2, give me 187,15. 180 divided by 2 would give me k 90, k element of integers. Right, so I hope you see how we found the general solution given compound angles. Now you enjoyed the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe. That way you'll stay up to date with content being loaded. Wishing you nothing but the best. Practice makes perfect.